Hey YouTube, today's video is a watch me transform video. So if you like to see how I go from a struggle plate to a full course meal, then stay tuned. So this is my bare face, acne scars and all, just so you can get a real good view of what we're working with. I'll have all the products I'm using down below. Right now I'm prepping my eyes for eyeshadow. I've done my eyebrows off camera. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to eyeshadow. I'm really just BSing at this point. The amount of makeup tutorials I've watched, you would think I know how to do my eyeshadow by now, but it's a learning process, and that's what I'm going to try to get better at in 2018. So you can be on the journey with me. I'm adding eyelashes and eyeliner off camera, and now we begin to color correct, and I'm actually going to apply two other Black Opal products on top of my color corrector. One is a Black Opal concealer, and then I go ahead and use the Black Opal stick foundation as more coverage for my acne scars. Then I decided to mix two foundations, the Kat Von D foundation and MAC Studio Fix fluid foundation. I'm not sure why I did that. I don't usually do this, but I was like, let me try them both together and see what happens. I actually really like it. So this is how my face looks, pretty blended. I try to stay away from underneath my eyes because I know I'm going to put concealer in that part. And I'm starting to use concealers that are more cream than liquid base. I find that with my oily skin, the creams really adhere to my skin better than the liquids do. Yeah, I just really like the coverage of a cream concealer more than a liquid concealer, and that's why I'm starting to gravitate towards more stick foundations or cream products, because I'm noticing that it just interacts with my skin better than a liquid or runny product would. And now to contour, I'm using another Black Opal stick foundation and blending that out with a beauty blender. Here I went back and added a little bit more concealer. Okay, so dance break is over. I'm actually setting my face with some setting powder. I don't bake anymore because I think my skin is a little bit drier during the winter months and super oily during the summer months, so I don't bake in winter anymore. And now I'm setting my contour. And I'm actually contouring my nose with just contour powder, not foundation. And I'm making the little button nose trick that I like to do. I'm lining my waterline. I'm placing my mole back that got erased during the makeup, and now I'm using a powder that matches my foundation just to blend in the contour and the highlight. I'm applying blush to the apples of my cheek and right above my contour. And then it's time to highlight. I'm using a total of 4 highlighters. This Fenty Beauty Matchstick is the first one that I used on my eyeshadow. Then I go ahead and use this MAC highlighter. And then the next two, one is from the beauty supply store and one is from Physicians Formula. I went in with the Physicians Formula highlighter first. I'm telling you, this thing is super pigmented. It's like a pink color, but I didn't know it was going to be that pigmented. And then the next one is the one that I got from the beauty supply store. I'm telling you, this baby is super pigmented as well, and it only cost me $3 or $4. I would definitely say check the description box and pick it up for yourself. So now I'm just lining my lips with the same pencil I used to do my eyebrows. And I'm applying a ColourPop liquid lipstick. Here, I'm just trying to dry the liquid lipstick before I go ahead and top it with lip gloss. And there you have it, the finished product of my makeup. So now it's time to get started on my hair. I only have a little bit of leave out in the front of my head. And I am taking my half wig out of the package. I'm tightening the straps and then I'm placing the half wig on my head. So next I'm removing the band from the hair that I sectioned off. And then I'm going to begin to take some hair from the front of the wig to add to the section. I band it all together now. And then I'm going to separate my hair from the wig hair, and I'm going to twist my own hair into two. Now, people do this differently. Some people wrap the twist around the base of the ponytail, but I actually just tuck my twist into my wig cap. I just think my hair might just not blend as well. Even if I wrap it at the base, it doesn't blend completely with the hair, so I just like tuck it underneath there. You'll technically still see the twist at the beginning of the ponytail, but it won't be extremely noticeable. So are you ready to see the finished product? Here's where we started. And here's where we end up. Struggle plate to full course meal. Yes, ma'am. So if you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you want to see more makeup and hair videos just like this one. Comment below that that's what you want to see, or leave any video requests that you want. Subscribe, share it with a friend, tell your friend to subscribe, all that good stuff. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.